The Nissan Qashqai key fob, often called a smart or intelligent key, typically houses a CR2032 coin cell battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. First, locate the seam on the back or side of the fob. Gently use the pry tool to separate the two halves. Be cautious, as some models have a small latch or screw, especially in the 2017-2020 J11 generation. For newer 2024 plus models, a rubber gasket seals the case. Remove it slowly to prevent dust from entering. Ensure you detach any key blade before starting. Once open, the CR2032 battery sits in a holder with the positive plus side up. Use the pry tool to carefully lift out the old battery and dispose of it responsibly. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the plus side facing up, ensuring it's firmly seated. Double-check the polarity to avoid damaging the circuitry. Snap the case back together securely. Finally, test the buttons. If needed, reprogram the fob by pressing the lock/unlock buttons simultaneously near the vehicle for 5 to 10 seconds. Remember to work in a dry, static-free area to avoid damaging the fob's microchips.